All right, YouTube. So I'm out here with the ZL1. I got it back from Zybart. Clear ball repair. As you can see, those were problem areas. They look really good now. I don't think there was a spot on this finger as the other one. But you know, like even like here, you know, in this area here, the spot that was right there, you can no longer see. So sorry, my neighbor stopped to holler at me. But you know, the clear ball there, that was a major spot right there that's fixed. The back was good. This fender was good. There were a few that had spots down there that they fixed up. And then this one was where the big scratch was. That's all fixed up. So man, I gotta work on my inside next, man. I gotta get my seat shampooed and see if that'll come out. I don't think it is, so I might be stuck with that one, but I haven't done anything yet to the interior at all. I'm about to order some stuff to kind of carbon fiber it out like the last time. But hang on here. Come underneath the hood. And that Jax Wax Products did his job. Look how much better it looks underneath my hood, man. So I went through all of this first with the Super Citrus. And then after I got it all cleaned up with the Super Citrus, I came back and went over different parts of it with the Super Shine. And it's looking good under here, man. I got another one of these on the way. I'm gonna order me some billet accessories, you know, to get it looking good for car shows. I have my billet, you know, my chrome caps. I got my strut tower covers already. I had an extra set. I really wish I could find a custom one of these like the last one that I had, but right now I can't find none that are custom at all. They're all like that. And then this, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that because it needs to be repainted. Some people just take them off. I like it with it on there. If I don't have mods that require me to take that off, I'm not doing it. But yeah, man, it's coming along really good. Just wanted to do a quick update. You know, I got the car back today, came out here and just got done doing my final cleanups on it. It looks really good in this video, but there's still a few spots that could use some shining. But I'm very happy with the results, man. I never thought, I didn't know what was going to become of this engine bay. I ain't gonna lie, that's the dirtiest engine bay I've had in a really long time. Wipe down your engines, man. Keep them clean. Go get you some of that Super Citrus, man. It'll keep it right. Get it right if it is dirty. But yeah, just wanted to give you an update on the ZL1.